Now we're going to work on quiz number 2 of lesson number 2 in connecting letters. We added 5 more letters to what we studied last time, which are Jim, Ha, Kha, Ain, Ghain. So now we should know how to connect all these letters. So I have 6 here, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 letters. So Akh. We connect Alif with Kha by like that, just by keeping them side by side, because Alif does not connect to anything after it. So Kha stands alone here. Second word, Lawh. Lawh. So this is Lam. Waw goes under the line. The head is over the line, and the body is under the line. And then Ha over the line, only the head over the line. The tail is under the line. Fatha, Sukun. So now Ha did not connect to Waw because Waw doesn't connect to anything after it. And we have, as we remember, 6 letters, Alif, Ra, Zay, Dal, Dhal, and Waw. They do not connect to the left side. Only connect to the right side like every other letter, but they don't connect to the left side. Second, the third word, Dakhat. Dal does not connect to anything after it. Now Alif stand alone because Alif also doesn't connect to whatever comes after it. Now Kha connect to the Ta. Dakhat. Ba'at. Ba'at. Ba connects to the Alif. Then Ain, only the head, and connected to the Ta. Ba'at. Farigh. Farigh. Fa, we write it, the head with the neck. Remember the neck. And then Alif. Fa. Ra, under the line, is not connected to the Alif because the Alif doesn't connect to anything after it. Farigh. Ghain, stand alone. Now, because Ra doesn't connect to anything after it. Farigh. Next word. Fa, Alif, Ra, Ghain, Ta marbuta. Same thing. This is the feminine form of Farigh. Fari. Gha. Ta marbuta is connected to the Ghain. It looks like that. It looks like a head of a deer. And it has a neck too when it's connected. Farigha. Now we have Jaw. Jim and Waw. Jaw. Jim is connected to whatever comes after it. So we write it like that. Jaw. Hal. Ha. Exactly like Jim. Connects to whatever comes after it, like every other letter. And Lam here, because it's the last letter in the word, it goes under the line. Hal. Now, عمل. عمل. You have the ayn over the line, meme, round it from under the line, and then the lam goes under the line because it's the last letter in the word. Now we have to put fatha here and fatha over the meme. Why? Because we don't want to confuse it with another word, which we're going to deal with here. We have عمل. عمل غير عمل. عمل, it means work. عمل, it means to do. In the past, it means he did. So it's written the same thing, عمل, only the harakat are different. Same thing with عملت. عملت. We have the ayn, we have the meme, we have the lam. Now the lam stays above the line because it's not the last letter, and we get it connected to the ta. عملت. فتحة كسرة. عملت. Now, next word is غابة. غين ألف باء تاء مربوطة. غين, we start the غين the way we started the عين. Connect the ألف, باء, تاء مربوطة. غابة. Next word, صغيرة. صاد غين ياء راء تاء. Start with صاد. Now غين. Now it's in the middle of the word, so we close it. Put the ياء. راء underneath the line. تاء مربوطة. Now you may need to write the صاد like this, like triangle, that's fine. And عين like another triangle, that's fine. And then write like that. If this makes it easy, you can do it like that. Don't forget the tooth for the صاد, so we don't think it's ha. Next word, لعبت. We need kasra under the عين. Lam stays above the line or on the line because it's not the last letter, as in hal. So only when it's the last letter it goes under the line. So here it's not the last letter, so we keep it above the line. لعبت باء then تاء. لعبت. Now the last word is غين ذال ألف حاء. غذاء. دال ألف همزة. غذاء. غذاء. So we see here غين and عين, they are closed when they are in the middle of the word. Let's move to the next question. Question number 2. Circle the words that have the letter عين. So now we know عين comes in 3 different shapes. At the beginning, it's only the head. At the middle, we close it like that, or like that, مثلث, if that's easier. And at the end, we keep it as it is. And some people at the end also close it, and that's even better. So at the end, it's open when it's not connected, but when it's connected, it's better closed. So here, Omar has Ain. We circle it. Habib, it does not have Ain. Sahih does not have Ain. Fijl, same thing. Mukhtar doesn't have Ain. Ali, it does. And Amir, it does. Now it seems all they have Ain at the beginning of the word. Also, Lo'ba has Ain in the middle and it's closed, so we circle the Ain. Now, let's see number 3, listening. The teacher will read out loud 4 words. Circle the 4 words you hear. So I read mahal, mahal. So this exercise wants you to distinguish between ha versus ha. So mahal, this is mahal. This is mahal. It's not mahal, so we're not going to choose this. Lahda, this is lahda. It's not lahda, so this is wrong. Hiwar, ha, hiwar, no ha. Lawh has ha, lawh, it has no ha. Now lawh and hiwar has no meaning. We just use them to confuse you. Next set of words are a question that wants you to distinguish the word. Now, every word in the following group is missing a letter. Please fill in the blanks from the letters between brackets by circling the correct letter. Then write it. So, ساء صغيرة، طبعا الغين هذه في أول الكلمة وهذه في آخر الكلمة، سنختار هذه. صحيح، هذه في أول الكلمة وهذه في آخر الكلمة، سنختار الوسط. صحيح. هذه الكلمة وجه. So this jim is in the middle, this jim is at the end. We need jim that's not connected, which usually it comes at the beginning of the word, or when there's a letter that doesn't connect, it comes in that shape. وجه means face. خريف. So at the beginning of the word, we don't put this, we don't put this. We put this. خريف. Now this is supposed to be ta here with no ayn, and we have to choose the right ayn. So this is the right ayn and this is not. This is not, because it's supposed to be like this. Ba'at. Ayn is not connected to the letter before it because it's alif and alif doesn't connect. The last word is jamil. This is wrong, and we're gonna use this one because it's not connected to anything before it. Now we're gonna go to the next question. The question asks to circle the words that have the letter kha. Now kha comes in 3 different shapes. At the beginning, at the end, it's connected like that, and at the this is in the middle, I'm sorry, and at the end connect like that. Something connect with it, and when it's alone it's like that. So صغيرة doesn't have kha. خيار, there is kha. عصير doesn't have kha. نخيل, it does have. Now the last question. Find out the meanings of these words. Write the English meaning of the following words. محل محل, a shop. لعب, فتحة كسرة. He played. لعبت, she played. صغير, can say small or little. صغير, it could mean in size, it could mean in age. So الصغير is the young person. Also شيء صغير, it means something small. صغيرة, same thing, but because we have ta marbuta, this is feminine and this is masculine. Now we move to the second group. The first word is باع. باع يعني he sold. باع سيارته يعني he sold his car. باعت, it's a female. باعت, she sold. She sold her car. باعت سيارتها. عمل, so that's not عمل, that's عمل, فتحة كسرة, means he did or he worked. Both are correct. خطأ, it means error. Sometimes we say wrong, also خطأ. And حل is a solution. حل is a solution. With this, we finish the second quiz for connecting letters.